Oh my fucking god! Whoa! Whoa! Them one know when me have a knock, crank crocodile came and a bus. Whoop whoop! Knock it make you light up your light, like pepper light, like Christmas or tomorrow. Broke a bag stop him in a gut. Leng should a name cave sign for your bag of bat. And who said Russian I did not link up against slide under your mother. None of them not there on my level. What is up, guys? Jamaica Rest gave you another reaction. Pum 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 pum. So guys, I drop Fire in the Boat. Wretch Fire in the Boat with Avino. Avelino, same. And the comment section say react to Kano. So we are here with Kano. Let's jump straight tonight. Kano. Alright, stop it now. You chat too much, man. Come on, let's go.
I know you're gonna
Fire
do
the boot.
this.
Oh yeah,
Perfect. Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's try a thing.
you know what time it is when you hear this, right?
Let's get ready to rumble.
That few times.
Fire in the booth.
Yeah. Made in the manner. Hey, look, man, cover your ears.
Cover your ears.
Yeah. This is real nigga lyrics. Fake niggas can't look in real nigga mirrors. I know who I am and he knows who he isn't.
Hold on. Fake niggas can't look in real nigga mirror. You hear that? You can't look in my mirror, me. Real, no, me real. Yeah, me real. You fake. You can't look in my mirror. That is what it means. Let's go.
Began said I don't even dial her digits. I don't see my nana unless she gets convicted and fishes. I'm just on this money making mission.
When say a while ago? You not seen man unless.
I know who I am and he knows who he isn't. Nanda's cuss began said I don't even dial her digits. I don't see my nana unless she gets convicted and fishes.
So him grandmother cussed him out and said, you see, you cannot. The only time you want something is when time you call me. You don't call me unless you want something. You is a wicked grandson. Big up Nana. Big up Kena, Nana. That is not how she talk, but that's how she talk for me. You is a wicked boy. You don't come look for your grandson anymore because you get big and you say you're a rapper. Well, I wish you all the best. Him not seen man unless him not have food. Him not seen man unless him not have escovitch fishes. That's what the man I say. Wicked boy Kano, you know right.
I'm this money making mission. Out of town shelling down money making mission. And I got plans to give the whole fam a bringing. Wish that I could show the whole fam the big picture. Cropping brothers out if they don't play the right position. I know life looks rosy from where you're probably sitting. But these bucket leather seats ain't what I call winning.
Not because you have a luxury car with bucket leather seat. That don't mean you win, brother. A car is not an investment. So you can't win off one car. Unless I want taxi, where you can make money from the taxi, but you're not win off on a car, brother. Like bucket leather seat, like move away.
Can't put shoes on my nephew's feet with it. Can't put food in a nigga's fridge, can it? Two lubes make a nigga lose vision. All the red on these bottoms make a nigga non-Christian. Sip wine with a miss.
Hey, wait, whoa, you're not gonna just say that and go past that. What did you say?
I know life looks rosy from where you're probably sitting, but these bucket leather seats ain't what I call winning. Can't put shoes on my nephew's feet with it. Can't put food in a nigga's fridge, can it? Two lubes make a nigga lose vision. All the red on these bottoms make a nigga non-Christian.
The Louis Vuitton, the red bottoms make a nigga.
Wine with the missus, break bread with my niggas. Table full of winners, do dinners, group pictures with some big villains, wig splitters, brick dealers. But do due diligence, not one goon with us. Everyone around me, boss, no seat fillers. But I have no success unless the man them are legitimate. Play gets all day, then the man them do sizzler. But the two differ. Thank you, mama, for those 9 months you carry me.
Sizzler again. Play gets all day, but them do sizzler.
No, I could be abrupt, it's the game, don't be mad at me. And so far, know you worry about me. And I'm quick to tell you, don't worry about me. My shoulders are for your tears, don't worry about me. I know it's Balmain, but don't worry about it. This music shit's connected to my soul, my mood swings. My art's a major artery, can't function without it. Trying to conquer the mountain, but these combos are landing. Then I think I'm out of range, but these punches are now sim. No plaster for this pain. And I can't stand the rain. but I can fucking pop more rosé. I'm done with nightclub living. Vodka and lems, that's the nightclub spirit. I smile for the lens, but these eyes say different. Nice little legs, but her eyes say mischief. Too black for district, but the money too pinkish. Said I'll turn a non-color blind eye for our business, so we can get in long as we're spending like niggas. Just as long as we don't bring our sisters. 2K. Too black for district, but the money too pinkish. Said I'll turn a non-color blind eye for our business, so we can get in long as we're spending like niggas. Just as long as we don't bring our sisters. 2K table in the club, IKEA for the kitchen. But know that the sparklers is a mad thing. Baddest bitch, she ain't bringing nothing to the table. But know that the back off is a mad thing. Everybody gassed over the gram ting. Everybody banging on the gang ting. Churches, but still I do the stands ting. Righteous, but still I do the ham ting. Yeah. Can cut the tension with a Stanley. Everybody shuffling on Mandy. I'm narcos and chilling with some brandy. Pacapaya Peters, but not Andy. My family. 2016, new niggas on the flat screen. Token white Charlie, blue cream in the family. I was in the upper class queue, posh ticket. Staff told me, sorry sir, you're in the wrong position. Bigot idiot didn't say fuck all to Richard. So fuck all the riches, you can't fool the pigment. And I'm not with the MJ ting. I did moonwalk and can't make a guarded, but the bleaching's unusual.
Kano, brother, you fuck up my head, dog. You mash up my head, brother. Kano, chill,
Rappers
brother.
never big up my name in interview talks. So is that the goose talk when they see me, bro? Different blokes, different strokes. We are talking about willingness, we're talking about business. Top proper figures, we're not cotton picking.
The thing is Kano, yeah. Kano is so confident with it. If Kano was to take up back rap, like seriously, I'm not sure if I'm a rap now, but a good look why I'm not in a rap from him. But if Kano was to take up at this shit, like enough of these young rappers don't have any space in the industry. Enough of these so-called drillers or whatever, them not have no space in this, brother. Bumbleclot, dog.
Catch me in the field, the check was real. If fuckers can't hear, they better feel. If words don't break bones, the weapon will. I'm taking my respect, better still. I'll take another zero on the deal. Then take some of my people to the grill. Love is something deeper to
I said take a next zero on the deal and take some of my people to Negril at Jamaica. Yo, holiday set is money after me.
Hate is really real. Grew up eating festivals, now I eat at festivals. Can I go off the record? Yeah, them records cool, but I
grew up eating festivals. Who don't know what festival is? See festival, yeah. Grew up eating festivals. Now I eat at the festival. Me the main headline, me the main act for the stage.
don't wanna hear it unless it's seminal. G's moving silence, that's the veteran rules. Gigs told me I was scared to bless this move. Get a weaving through and use 2 pence and all. But that's the banter when the legends talk. Share some duppy share, then some legs get pulled. G's moving silence, that's the veteran rules. Gigs told me I was scared to bless this move. Get a weaving through and use 2 pence and all. But that's the banter when the legends talk. Share some.
So Gigs tell him scared to bless the boat. Getter showing him Getter or Gets or Getter, one of them. Showing them 2 pence, but that is the banter when the legend talk. Cause them Gigs them been do it already. So, okay, now, where are we at, man? You afraid? No, I'm not afraid.
I'm duppy share, then some legs get pulled. I've been up again from Stratford Rex, of course. Whew, I guess that you can call me Mr. Mattress. What if I told you that twin slept on this? Not right or wrong, they write me off, I write lyrics. 3,000 tickets before one could even blink. That's why guy thinks I'm the shit. Big man ting, I'm out here from the hitman ting. Yeah, not a kidnap king. Up and down on a wingback ting. Left Harrods with the big bag ting. Might catch Paddy with the big back ting. Hazards on a zigzag ting. Rambo for the riff-raff ting. Shaq K for the click-clack ting. Young Bucks go and spit that skin.
Kena, fuck off! Kena, fuck off, brother! Sorry for the profanity. Kena, go in, man.
That's why guy thinks I'm the shit. Big man ting, I'm out here from the hitman ting. Yeah, not a kidnap king. Up and down on a wingback ting. Left Harrods with the big bag ting. Might catch Paddy with the big back ting. Hazards on a zigzag ting. Rambo for the riff-raff ting. Shaq K for the click-clack ting. Young Bucks go and spit that skin. Don't come back unless you bring back sins. Dish out L's and I bring back wins. You can sink or swim. What's beef? That's not when you meme. That's when you cover queen. It's blackjacks but don't bring back king. They just all black suits when man sing that hymn. Major cloth alert, think my tailor for the work.
Don't pull it, Charlie, don't pull it, don't pull it.
Up on my shirt. Just know I'm making millions if I make it to a hearse. Before I even make it in the dirt, you can't evaluate my worth. Leave that talk in the barbers. Guess overestimating gets a snake's dick harder. You want man to be your brethren, your gal and your father? Stand on your own fucking two Balenciagas.
Some of them boy out there want man fi have them back and be them girl, them brother, them sister and them father. Hey boy, stand up on your own two Balenciaga. You know here, stand up on your own two foot. 10 to a turbo on the gun, stand up on that. That's what I'm gonna tell you.
You got the Bruce Wayne's, that's what you need from me today. Motherfuckers want their cake and to stuff their fucking face. You don't know my expenses, I gotta buy bigger plates. But as amazing as Heinz is, you should be buying Grace. There's always one Mace out there puffing. Can't club with him. +7, I can't get the 8th cousin in. You know them spray the champs in the air, man. Before the bill comes, they disappear, man. Like say it's so bill when you got pills. Fake it till you make it, never that authenticated. All these rappers draking, but he wish he got the patent. Rapper think he bad, I will son him, no Jaden. 1 million, I spray bars with no fragrance. P-Gas got them kilos and a kilo chain like Aiden. AB just land bet money man won't be so brazen. Problem with the kid? Now that's a problem in the making. That's a big understatement. It's probably 9 shots like 5-0 the iPods. This is not a friendly handshake after we loaded the mic board. They're buying guns, be buying guns. Cause I'm from a time done where pussy yos didn't have a platform to type on. When that's a problem in the making. That's a big understatement. It's probably 9 shots like 5-0 the iPods. This is not a friendly handshake after we loaded the mic board. They're buying guns, be buying guns. Cause I'm from a time done where pussy yos didn't have a platform to type on. When mic's on, I'm icon. When mic's off, I'm icon. Probably in the yard.
No matter, I'm basically director, so immaterial. Listen, I'm not doing it just for the show. I'm doing it. I'm being me. I'm real. When mic on me, the done. When the mic off me, the blood clot dance.
The dance wine and the girl bite on. Stitchery knows what I'm on. I do not floss with diamonds. If I went king of diamonds, would it make it ring with my ones? I go restaurants on my ones. Either Peroni or it's Merlot. Never been platinum, but I've probably been your girls though. 30, money make the world go in circles. Tell me how much times a feature had a better verse though. Probably 2 or 3, 1 unreleased. Talking cartel level, talking 3, 2 and G. Hollow track sneak one up on man, but we'll see after some shows. Just who got the
talking cartel level, you know, say cartel a legend in this. Vibes cartel a legend in this.
Upper hand, let's do the 3, 2 and G. Hollow though, probably 2 or 3, 1 unreleased. Talking cartel level, talking 3, 2 and G. Hollow track sneak one up on man, but we'll see after some shows. Just who got the upper hand, let's do the maths. I've been laying down 14 up on man. One unreleased, talking cartel level, talking 3, 2 and G. Hollow track sneak one up on man, but we'll see after some shows. Just who got the upper hand, let's do the maths. I've been laying down 14 years, that's 1 loss every 4.6. Ballon d'Or don't see scores like this. It's sugar statistics, taking the biscuit. Teenager tell me about grind, kiddo, I lived it. Nearly said goodbye to the game, I might have kissed it. Yeah, now I got a new sing-along, I titched it. 13, I blew the candles out and wished it. So still pinch myself that I lived this life of a non-millionaire, cause I'm gifted. Kanye moment coming up, I'm Prince sick. That so-called fans jumping back on my Linford. Still got inches there for anyone listening. Never could have this Bizzle, he is a king in this. I just wish I had a Festa skank on my hit list.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Never could have this.
Never could have this Bizzle, he is a king in this. I just wish I had a Festa skank on my hit list. Colombian fit Givenchy for the winters, but gas bill catch me if you can for the winters. Shh, fed up of people saying that Kano is underrated. Show me who don't rate me and I'll show you who is hating.
Show me who don't rate me and I'll show you who is hating, dog. Like, you don't have to like me, but you don't have to rate me. You do not have to like me, but you have to rate what I'm doing. That is what the boss is telling you, dog. And I live by that. Me know nobody like me, no. Me personally, me talk the truth. You know, I feel like me, brother. But just respect what me I do. Respect my work rate and respect my craft. Respect what me I do, brother. Think different. Different. Over here is different. Fuck you, talk about.
Was my off the wall, but still I got a thriller in me, everybody wound. Cause this how you get up, it's not even bound to fool. Not the most fame, but they'll put me in the hole. The elephant is in the room, where's the lions in this bitch? Even sleeping giants wake up and take piss. Too many gangsters, not enough gentlemen. Too many bosses, not enough apprentices. Too many ride-alongs, not enough menaces.
I'm this close of finishing. I'm this close of stopping this, you know. I'm this close of stopping this. I'm this close of saying, no, that's it. Too much. Finish. I'm this close, guys. Can Kano, carry on.
Them
Carry
young
on.
bucks go on, know not to keep evidence. Lyrics flow show, that's the three elements. Show a man your verse, that's MC etiquette. So rock and ginger beer, that is street decadence. I'm a pie mash eating east side resident. What's a grind renaissance? Seek for my persistence. Nothing, I was in top warrior Lebanon. JME was flagging the flag, that's evidence. Straight from the horse's mouth like revenant. I can't run out of bars like Chippy said. Many men wish on my death like 50 said. Running through the six with my woes like Drizzy said. But there's an E on the beginning of that I represent. Touch mic and laying down dance, I'm Mr. Lang. Every time you see me a new one, I'm Mr. Benz. Why you putting pressure on the game like this again? I had a Gareth Southgate couple summers, I'm Mr. Penn. Tell Phoebe my circle's smoother, I'm missing friends. Some Mr. Men, Mr. Jealous, Mr. Vex. I'm Mr. Everyone went right, I took the left. Now who's his best, me or Rich?
Oh my fucking God! Whoa! Whoa! So all this time, him say all of that, we finish that with that? Who is best? Charlie, he's putting Charlie on the spot right now. More know what Charlie I gonna say right now. He's putting Charlie on the spot. Who is best? Me or Rich? Let's go, Charlie! Keno, who am I, youth? Keno! Oh my word! Keno, that's different, brother. That's his son. Big up him son. Big up little man.
Bro, everybody have a little clap for that, man. That was a moment right there, boy.
So listen, if you notice him say all of that with no profanity. All of that he just said, no profanity, no bad words. You see me? In my respect for him, like a son that was in the room. The first thing before him start, him say, "Look, man, can't kill you."
Outside the man, bro.
Hey, man said it as well. Now which one's better? Mine or Rich? Wow. Bro, that was a moment. That was a special moment right there.
For you, man, for you.
Fam.
You know.
And I gotta keep it real. You just took that spot, K.
Oh, Rich not gonna like that.
I know
Rich not like that.
Happy because the competition is strong. I know that. And Gets as well. I know he's watching it as well. And Geeksy as well.
Official.
You just took it, bro.
Made in a manner.
Bro, nah. The album already. I've seen it because like when it comes to music, I'm as honest as I can be, you know. Like if someone puts an album out and it's not great, I won't say nothing unless they ask me. And if they ask me, then I'll be like, I know 2 decent records on there. The rest was, you know what I mean? But bruv, it's a masterpiece, honestly.
Hey, thank you very much.
From front to back, there's no fillers. Like, I've listened to it back to back and it's like, it gets better every time.
That's stop it.
Appreciate that.
I pick up a little reference point.
Let's stop it because I'm done. I'm camera Charlie Lang chat. But listen, guys, listen to me. I said that. Guys, thanks for the people who say you react to that one. Because I never hear it. I never hear it before. As a God, I did not hear that one. Guys, at the end, the man say, who is better now, me or Rich? Guys, what I want you to do for me now, please, is tell me which one did Rich drop after this. Tell me which number did Rich drop after this, because I see that there's a few of Riches, but I'm not listening to none of them yet. So tell me which one Rich drop after this. Let me go and visit back the Rich one again. Guys, Jesus Christ, Kano, you're an animal. You're an animal, brother. You are an animal. Yo, that was fire, blood. That was fire. Guys, if you enjoy the reaction, it's not a breakdown, it's just a reaction. I can't react. I cannot break down these. First of all, them too long. Second of all, every bar I go over my head. Facts. Cat. Meow. More. Cow. Everything. So, guys, if you like the reaction, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new. Please just support the channel, you know. Big up the young artists that I reach out as well. I can't stop bigging up. Big up on yourself. I'm out.